everyone. So you've been asking me about lip blush course and what you receive with your kit, and also how long is the course. So with your training, if you take it in class, you're gonna receive this kit, which includes the permanent makeup machine, which is coming in the full set. You also receive cartridges with different sizes, and also you get latex for your practice. Also, you're going to receive measuring tools, mapping paste with the brush, and also the divider. You're going to get 3 different pigments from Even Flow. So you're going to get all of these. You also get access to our online application, which is only for our students. It has all the lectures with videos and photos. You have access to it for unlimited 1 year, and you can submit all your practices in that application. We have promotions for our grand opening, and you get 50% discount on our online training, and also you receive a discount for the kit if you want to take it separately, or if you want any other product, you can receive that promotion until November 14 if you sign up.